Question 1. What is the general speed limit on national roads? Is it A, 60 km per hour? B, 120 km per hour? Or C, 100 km per hour? The correct answer is C, 100 km per hour. Question 2. To overtake safely, you must A. Pass on the left-hand side of the vehicle if it is safe to do so. B. Change gear before overtaking. C. Make sure you are safely clear of the other vehicle before returning to the left-hand side of the road. The correct answer is C. Question 3. You can overtake on the left if A. You are overtaking a bus or a truck. B. The other driver is turning right. C. You are driving a left-hand drive vehicle. The correct answer is B. You can overtake on the left if the other driver is turning right. Question 4. When overtaking, which of the following can you do? A. Exceed the speed limit. B. Overtake vehicle that has stopped at a pedestrian crossing. C. Pass on the left in a one-way street that is wide enough for two vehicles to drive abreast. The correct answer is C. Question 5. When overtaking, which of the following must you do? A. Look out for people getting on or off a stationary bus. B. Exceed the speed limit to get past quickly. C. Give a courteous wave to the driver of the vehicle you are overtaking. The correct answer is A. You must look out for people getting on or off a stationary bus. Question 6. When another vehicle is overtaking you, which of the following statements applies? A. Hoot and wave. B. Check your speed. C. Don't accelerate. The correct answer is C. Don't accelerate when another vehicle is overtaking you. Question 7. When driving on roads with traffic lanes, which of the following should you not do? A. Change lanes. B. Keep in your lane. C. Straddle the lines of the lanes. The correct answer is C. Don't straddle the lines of the lanes when driving on roads with traffic lanes. Question 8. When is it permissible to change lanes? A. When it's safe to do so. B. When you have given clear indication early enough to warn other persons. C. Both of the above. The correct answer is C. You must follow both A and B when changing lanes. Question 9. You can overtake on the left if A. You are in a one-way street that is wide enough for two or more vehicles to drive abreast. B. You are directed to do so by a traffic officer. C. Both of the above. The correct answer is C. Both A and B are correct when overtaking on the left. Thank you for watching. See you in next lesson.